What's up YouTube and YouTube artists? My name is Louis Ning Chong. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a powerful Wildstyle piece for you. We're blending graffiti with Kung Fu vibes. So grab your sketchbook or just sit back and enjoy the ride. Step-by-step breakdown doing the name Robert in Wildstyle. Let's break down this Wildstyle piece. The name I'm working with today is Robert. I start with a basic letter shapes in pencil, focusing and the flow. Next I add depth and complexity, building structure into each letter. Now I'm tightening the design with pen and ink, adding those classic Wildstyle elements, arrows, extensions and connections that give it motion. Let's break down this Wildstyle piece. The name I'm working on with today is Robert. First, I start with fundamentals, the basic font I used back in the day. Sometimes I grab the basic font from Google for reference, but not today. This one straight from memory. I began sketching the three horizontal lines, one at the top, one in the middle, and one at the bottom. These help guide the height and balance of the letters. Now since it's Wildstyle, I draw the letters in a more abstract graffiti form. Like I've said before, this where style comes in, and here's a key tip: don't press too hard with pencil yet. You want to keep your strokes light until you're happy with how the letters look, then go back and press down to commit to your final lines. Once I've got the letters shaped out, I build them 3D, giving them depth and presence. After that, I go over everything with pen and ink, looking in the structure. I started using all types of perspective for the 3D. I was using 1-point perspective, 1, 2, and 3. Now it's time for shading. I use pencil to build value from the light to dark, giving the piece that extra dimension. For the dragon, I looked at the images of Chinese art dragons in Google, but not to copy, but just to get an idea of the traditional shape and energy. Then I drew the dragon in my own graffiti style, giving him a hat, Kung Fu uniform, and placing him in a classical dragon Kung Fu stance. When it comes to shading, the dragon, I've used cross-hatching and other drawing techniques with pen and pencil to bring out the light and shadow. There's a lot to learn in both pen and ink and pencil techniques. If you want to dig deeper, I recommend checking out some great tutorials here on YouTube. And hey, if you want me to draw your name in graffiti style, check out the links below to get in touch. Now I want to tell you a quick story about Dragon Kung Fu. Back in the day, I used to watch Kung Fu movies non-stop, Bruce Lee, Jackie Chan, and the list goes on. That energy, that motion, that discipline, I always felt connected to that world. So it inspired this artwork too. History: Dragon Kung Fu style. Dragon Kung Fu, also known as Lung Ying, is a traditional Chinese martial art that originated in the southern Shaolin Temple of China. It was developed by Lam Ying Gui, a martial arts master from Guangdong, during the late Qing Dynasty and early 20th century. Unlike hard external styles, Dragon style blends fluid twisting movements with explosive power, imitating the coiled strength and the sudden strikes of mythical dragon. Practitioners use strong stances, fast footwork, and serpentine hand techniques to confuse and overwhelm the opponents. What makes Dragon Kung Fu unique is its internal energy, focus, chi cultivation, combining strength, precision, and spiritual intensity. This style symbolizes wisdom, power, and transformation, just like the dragon itself in Chinese mythology. I gotta put some music, so don't go nowhere. I hope something important to say.
Never stop, get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo,
yeah.
no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen, oh the irony. To hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never. And turn your mind into the truest of go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
If you liked this piece, drop a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe for more graffiti mixed with art history and culture. My name is Louis Ning Chong. Thanks for watching, and peace.